are pleased to show you the 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.